remote controller with the display. What's up guys? Today I'm so excited to unbox one product. I'll show you what is the product now. DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. I'm going to unbox this today. And along with DJI Fly More kit. Let me open both these boxes. First, let me open this DJI Mini 3 Pro. Wow, it's so tiny, lightweight. Look at this propeller, so excited. And this is the cap. And look at this camera. That's it. Now it's time to open the kit as well. Wow, look at this guys. Remote controller with the display. Wow, it's so handy. So excited to operate this. I never used this drone before, just I'm going to try with this. Let me explore first and then I'll make an awesome video for you guys. Just a cable and some manuals and extra propeller fans. Okay. Now let me open the kit now. This looks so nice. Let me open the box for you. Ta-da! It's a charging case with 2 extra batteries. Just pull this. That's all. We have 3 compartments and one for remote display, one for drone and one for extra batteries. It's so handy. And it also gives a lot of fans, extra fans. Let me display for you. Okay, let's prepare the remote controller. Gently remove the control stick from the slot and mount them on the remote controller. Let's switch on the remote controller. For that, press once and then press again and hold the power button to power on the remote controller, and follow the on-screen prompts to activate the remote controller. In very first screen, you will see a language selection screen. There you will have all the languages. So right now I'm selecting English and followed by software terms of use. Click on agree. After that, a country or region screen will display. There you have to select your country. Right now I live in Germany, so let me select Germany. After that, we have to provide our Wi-Fi network. It's done, and now it's time to select our time zone. By default, Beijing is selected since this DJI drone is made in China. And I'm in Berlin right now, so let me select Amsterdam, Berlin. Once you confirm that, you will see a login screen. If you have an account, you can directly log in, otherwise you can create one. Followed by the login screen, you will see Join DJI Product Improvement Project. As of now, I am giving not now. Once you're done, you will see a welcome screen with a start button. Just click on start. There you will see a useful screen gestures. Just follow or skip it. Once you're done, you will see a screen with the progress for initialization. Once it is ready, you will see a sample drone aerial shot. After that, you will see information authorization. For that, click next, and that's it. Now we can ready to use this RC. Now let's start the DJI drone. Press the power button once and press and hold the button to start, like what we did in RC. For first time, it will take some time to pair the DJI drone with the RC. Once it is done, you will see a screen to upgrade the DJI Mini 3 Pro. You can upgrade or you can do it later. You can click this Go Fly and you will see the gimbal camera turned on. This is the button will take off the drone. Just press and hold.
Wow, super!
That's all, guys. It's so awesome. I'm going to make another fantastic video. Please stay tuned on my YouTube, Instagram and Facebook for more videos.